Where's that at? When they wanted the solution here, the ordered pair is 3, 4. Just put 3, 4. No comma, no parenthesis. Okay? It's just like the x and the y-intercept, right? Just put the number.
Real quick, as I come around to give you guys points for the exam review, you're going to have your computer open so I can see what % you got on the online portion. And then the extended response handout, making sure both of those are completely done. We went over it in class, so those should be entirely done, entirely corrected. Good to go.
Mary, what's your question on?
My computer's dead, so plug it in back there. So should I just move?
I've just moved back there. Samara, why don't you scoot over a seat, honey? Let Mary sit next to you. Oh, okay, wherever. Yeah, that's fine. I'm just trying to help you out. Now, is everybody okay, guys? The solution? Well, here it says 3, 4. Just type in 3, 4. Whoa. Type in 3, 4. I guess I didn't see that there. I was just looking at the boxes. Okay. Was everybody okay graphing? Yes? How do you get back to the, Mr. Russell, how do you get back to like different questions?
Yeah, so use the scroll bar over there to the right. Far right side.
This?
Yep.
This one?
Nope, the scroll bar. It's right there. It's gray and gray right there. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's, oh, it just goes up and down?
Yep. Now, there's two scroll bars. There's two scroll bars. There's
This one?
that one too.
Okay.
Now,
And that'll go to different questions?
they collapse. Like these problems collapse.
Oh, I gotcha.
So you have to collapse it, and open a new one.
I gotcha. Okay, thank you. All right, where'd we finish at? You said we were on question.
I know we got through 10, but we were I was just jumping around to the ones that were pretty bad, like under 50%.
Okay, let's look at 12, guys. All right. All right, guys, don't make this one hard. Looks like we only got 28% right. Is everybody on question 12? Okay, what's it say? It says, determine whether these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coordinate points, is that a function? What are we looking at? All we have to do is see if there's anything Zach?
Any of the x values are the same.
If any of the x values are the same, then it's not a function. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, is it a function? Yeah. So you just put, what's it say here? You just put this relation is a function. Now, for the explanation here, what you could say a couple things, right? One is what? There's no repeated input values, or there are no repeated x values, right? That's what I would say. Make it short and sweet. Okay? Is everybody okay with that? Does that make sense now? Yeah, that's an easy question. Don't make it hard. Okay, is everybody okay with 12? Well, we gotta look at 13. Okay, domain and range. Okay, we got a U here, right, guys? It stops here, right? What's domain mean? How much the graph covers what? Left and right, which involves what? X values. Okay, so my domain is how much it covers left to right. Remember, X is in the middle. What's my lowest X value, guys? And it goes to what? 5, but it's what? Less than or equal to. So that's what I'm looking at. It's right here. This would be the answer for my domain. Does everybody see that? It's left and right coverage. Now, what's my range? My what? Up and what? My up and down coverage, right? So tall is that U and how low does it go? 0 to 4. Okay, so let me see if I can get. Whoa. Okay, so Liv, which one should I hit for my range? The one that's. Which one do you like, Liv?
0 is less than equal to y, and then y is less than equal to 4.
So this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Is everybody okay with that answer? Remember, domains left and right. Guys, that's probably a note card one. Right? Domain is your X value. X values. Range is my Y values. That's probably a note card. Just saying. Because I think that's something we haven't hit in a while. Yes. Okay. How do you guys feel about 12 now? Is it better? Yes. Okay. Whoa. Oh, was that 13?
Yeah.
That was 13. Did we go over 12 already? Okay. Man, what the heck, guys? Why are percentages so low on these? Jiminy Christmases. Now, again, I think this is an easy problem. How do we determine if it's a linear function? Okay. Do you guys remember? We're given a table here, right? What has to be true if it's a linear function? Go ahead, Makana.
Oh, what?
Whoa, you need to pay attention to me, sister. I know.
Okay, what was the
He'll
question?
be there in a second. Exactly. He'll be here in a second. He'll come over. How do I know if it's a linear function, guys, the table? Do you guys remember? Mary, what do you think?
It has to be a constant change in the X and Y.
Now, does that have to be the same change? No, it has to be a constant change in X and Y. You guys might want to write that on your note card. To be a linear function, it has to have a constant change in X and Y. To be a linear function, it has to have a constant change in X and Y. So what am I saying here? X, what do we got? Is that a constant change? What is it, +2? Everybody good with that? What do I got here? What's from -9 to -3? What's my change there? +6. Is that +6 there? No. So, this is a non-linear function. Okay, now, why? Because there's not a constant change in what? Y. That's what I would put for my explanation. It is not that, excuse me, guys. There is not a constant change in Y. Is everybody okay with that? Is everybody okay with that one? All right. 15. All right. H of X. Here's my equation, guys, right? You guys might want to write this. Make sure you're writing this down if you don't have it. Okay. What's the solution when X is -2, 0, and 5? Okay, guys, remember, all this is saying is these are 3 problems. What's my answer when I put X in for -2, when I put X in for 0, and when I put 5 in for X? What's my answer? So, in other words, it's asking, okay, what's H of -2? Well, let's see. I'm putting -2 in for X. What's -2 times -2, guys? 4 plus 9. So H of -2 equals 13. That's what you need to put there. You would type in 13 there. Okay? H of 0. Well, what that means is h of 0, it's not saying it's saying ho. Negative 2, what's x? 0 plus 9. What's negative 2 times 0? Plus 9. So you would type 9 in right there. And then h of 5, right? H of 5 equals negative 2 times 5 plus 9. What's negative 2? What's negative 2 times 5? Negative 10 plus 9? Negative 1. You type negative 1 right there for h of 5. Okay, just type the number in there. That's all you would do right there. Okay? Remember that? Yes? Okay, I think we talked about this yesterday. And this might be a note card. Negative 6x there's a. Are these better here? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay, how in the world, is that a negative 18? How in the world do I get the x-intercept? What do? Someone besides these two who answer 95% of the questions. Matt?
Oh, you have to target X by itself, so you minus.
No, you don't get x by itself. No. What's true about the y on the x-axis? What's the value of y? We put 0 in for y. Okay? That cancels that out. I am left with this. Okay? What do I do now, Liv?
Divide by negative 6.
And what do you get for x?
What was 0? 3.
Okay, now, right here, x-intercept. Guys, don't type in, I know x-intercept is 3, 0. It just wants 3. Don't type in 3, 0. Just hit 3 right there. Now, how do I get the y, Luca, how do I get the y-intercept? 0 in for x. And if you guys need to write that down in your card, write it down. There's going to be problems just like this we're going over. So you're left with this. You didn't do any of your exam review?
No, I was doing world studies because I'm grading 55. I have to get that up.
We had all weekend to do stuff.
I was busy.
So am I. We're all busy. You find the time to do it. Bailey, what do? What do you got? Yeah, you just plug negative 2 into here for the y-intercept, and don't put it as a point. Just put the y value. Okay, maybe, did anybody miss it because you put as a coordinate point? Maybe you might have. Okay. All right. 17. Oh, if you guys miss this one. You just flip me off, Makana. How do I get that, Makana?
Oh, you do.
Hang on. Guys, what is the slope formula? Go, Makana.
What?
What's the
y
slope?
Plus mx plus.
Nah, slope formula.
Oh, y. Oh, and then x2 minus x1.
Guys, you might want to write that down there. That is the slope formula. That's what it's asking for here. It's not asking for slope-intercept form. It wants the slope. Plus, it gives you no point to go through, so you can't write it in slope-intercept form. How do I get the slope? Plug it in for me. Bailey, go.
Negative 5 minus negative 2 and negative 7 minus 2.
I need to check with Mr. Live on this.
something real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay, what do you got, Bailey? Go on top. What's it turn to? Now, what's a negative over negative? Guys, if you put this as your answer, okay, it'll be wrong. Okay, why is that wrong? It's got to be reduced. It's got to be a reduced fraction. What is 3/9 reduced to, guys? That's what needs to be your answer. Okay? And don't put it as like 0.3 repeating or whatever. It's 1/3. You should type 1/3 in here. Okay? Is everybody okay typing a fraction in? Okay, I think you hit it. What do you hit this right here, right?
Yeah.
And then let's just go 1, 1/3. Is everybody okay? Reduced fraction for slope. What? Let's see. That's 17, 18. Okay. Guys, isn't this the same question? But it's asking what? What are our points now? In a what form? Mary, you have a question on?
I was just gonna say for fractions, so you don't have to like press all the buttons. You can hit like 1/3 and it automatically puts it.
Cool. Guys, this is the same one as 17. We just got to make our own. We got to make 2 coordinate points, right? That's all. Dorian, make 2 points here for me.
-2, -9, -2,
Yeah.
-5. So
Okay, hang on a sec. What is it?
-9, -2,
Okay, do you guys see what he did? Does it matter what 2 points we use? No. Just make 2 coordinate points. Okay? Just make 2 coordinate points. Corbin, set it up then. Hit the slope. What am I going to do?
You're gonna do 9, -2 minus 0 over -9 minus 5.
Careful.
5. Negative.
It's got to be -9 or -9 minus a -5.
I say.
You said -9 minus 5. And that is not how you say it.
Okay.
Make that positive. What's it turn on the top? Talking to you, Corbin.
-2
Over what?
-4.
Okay, what does that reduce to, guys? Simplify to, I should say. What do you got, Matt?
1/2.
Okay, it should be 1/2. Should be 1/2. All right. Is everybody good with that one? Everybody okay with slope? Everybody good? What do we got? Oh my gosh. If you guys missed this one, you should have to repeat. If you guys missed one, you should have to repeat the class. Guys, this is one of the easiest ones on the exam. Okay, why is this easy? It's already in slope-intercept form, right? Guys, what's the slope? We don't have to do any work at all. Vince, what's the slope here? -3. Type in -3. What's my y-intercept? Yeah, and hey guys, just put 2. Don't put 0, -2. Just put just put 2. Okay?
What if we this is a stupid question, but what if we put -3 over 1? Would that be wrong on?
I wouldn't do that.
I got it wrong.
What'd you put?
-3 over 1. And I got
Yeah. Yeah. Guys, if it's a whole number, or not a whole number, if it's not a fraction, like slope, don't put it over 1. Yeah. Don't put it over 1. Just put -3. Now, if it's -1/3, that's a different story. Now we have to put it as a fraction, obviously. Okay, is everybody okay on this? Yes? What was that, 20 or minus, I think we're doing this one. Yeah. What's this one? Oh my gosh, again, guys, it cannot be any easier than this question right here. This is like stealing candy from Vince. Easy. Okay? Guys, what's point slope formula again? This you want to put this on your card. Point slope formula is what?
Y equals Y2.
Y minus Y1 equals what? Parentheses right. That's point slope. That's point slope. All right, guys, it gives you the point and the slope for the love of humanity. Just plug it in. Just plug it in. Let's see. Jonathan, plug it in for me. Plug in the information right there.
Y plus 2
Nice job.
equals 5.
Where are we at? 5.
Parentheses, X plus 8.
Nice job.
Parentheses.
Guys, that's it. And just plug it in. I think graphing or plugging it in. Guys, make sure. I don't know. Why can't I see? Oh, it's just picking the right one. That's why. Just pick the right one. Is that the right one there? X plus 2, 5, X plus 8. Yeah, it's highlighting it. Right there. Is everybody okay with that? Does everybody understand why it's positive, right? It's minus a negative, right? All right. Was that 20? All right, this is the one that has the most work, if you guys remember when we did these. Oh, come on. This one, now, it wants the whole equation. So make sure they don't have y equals already. We have to write y equals. Now, it wants it in slope-intercept form. Guys, this is slope-intercept form. You might want to write that. Okay? This is slope-intercept form. That might be on the note card. Okay? This is point slope form. All right. This was the most work. All right. What do we have to do first? Braden, what do we have to do?
Do the points, plug them in.
No. We have to get the what first?
That's what I meant.
We have to get the slope first. Right? And then we plug it into what? Point slope. And then we change it to slope intercept. That's the 3 steps right here. All right? That's the 3 steps. Bailey, plug the slope in. What do we got? Where are we at? 72212. 7, hang on a second. 72212. Go ahead, Bailey. 12 minus 2. 2 minus 7. What do you got, Bailey? Which equals? Wouldn't that be negative 2? 10 divided by negative 5. Okay, there's my slope. Now, let's see. Dorian. Pick one of the points. It doesn't matter which one. Pick one of your points. So we got the slope. This is step 1, right? What's step 2? Plug it into what? What's this called? Plug into point slope. Dorian, pick one of the points. 212. Go ahead and plug everything in then.
Y minus 12 equals negative 2 parentheses X minus 2.
Okay, keep going. We had to distribute over here, right? Go ahead. And then we change it finally into what? Slope-intercept form. Go ahead.
Y minus 12 equals negative 2x plus 4.
Yes, sir.
And then plus 12.
Yes, sir.
Y equals negative 2x plus 16.
And that's our answer right there. Okay? That's our, guys, this is the most work for equations that we're going to do right now. Was this 23, last one? Whoa, what happened?
Oh, 22.
What's this one do? Oh, solve the system by graphing. Okay. Whoa. Can I reset it? Will not let me do that? I don't think so. All right. How'd you guys do on this? Now, y equals negative x plus 7. How do I start graphing that line? Where do I start? At the what? Y-intercept is what? So you'd go to your graph and you'd put a dot right there. Right? What's my slope? So I go down 1, right on your, oh, it's good, let me do this. So boom. There it is right there. You can put as many dots as, all you got to do on this one, it's nice, all you got to do is do it once. It'll do the line. Okay? What's my second equation? Okay, how do I start? Y equals x plus 1. How do I start graphing that one, Samara? The y-axis, y-intercept is 1. Go there. Put a point. Okay, what's my slope? So I go up 1, right 1. I don't know why. What happened there? Just hit.
When it goes to the last dot you put.
Okay, let's see.
Now, I wonder if,
That's weird.
Mr. Parker, there's
What's
usually
that?
some more options down below if we have to scroll down a bit.
What do I-
there aren't. So
Is it? Like, yeah, there it didn't do it.
There.
There.
Huh.
I don't know why it did
It
that.
was just because you put that dot last, so then it drew.
Oh, after the line?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess once it draws your line, don't put another dot on it because it'll go there after. Okay, so right there's my solution. Now, 3, 4. Can you scroll down a little bit, Mr. Westphal? Okay, it's already got everything in there. You just put 3, 4. Okay? Now, something, where is, you guys look at your computers a second. How come it doesn't have the resources over there? That's weird. It just doesn't because it's not live. Don't you guys have resources right here? Okay, if you guys look in the middle, look, is your computer dead? Okay, can you please open it to the test? If you guys look, where is that is so weird. Where, Mr. Westwood,
Oh,
why
here's
wouldn't it be have the resources up there?
No. Wait, don't submit it. Look, it's not showing to me.
Oh, this is because it's already submitted.
Sure.
Where are we at?
That's what it is.
Can you bring it up can you bring it up, Mr. Westphal, the test, so it's like, it's got the resources there on the right?
Yep.
Guys, because the Desmos calculator is on this, okay? And you can check your answer. You can, for a lot of things, but you still have to graph it.
Is it like one of these?
I don't know if, no. Yeah, see if you can hit that, see what comes up. I just want to see what it looks like when they're taking the test. Show them what it looks like.
Mine's not doing it well.
Anyway, do you guys know what I'm talking about? Mary, can I see your computer, Mary? We can plug hers in.
I don't know if hers has the HDMI port. Do yours have HDMI ports?
Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
Oh.
Whoa. Right here. Yeah, here we go. Guys, if this is live right here, here's your Desmos calculator. I don't know. You don't have a touch screen on, do you? Anyway, that's how you get to Desmos right there. And you can bring it up. You can graph it, but you still have to graph it on the test. But you can use the Desmos to check your answers. It's right there at your fingertips on this test.
You guys understand what he's saying? Y equals negative x plus 7 there. Or negative x. Seven, and then you graph the line.
Okay.
And then remember on here, it's kind of nice because you can, on the Desmos version, you can, once you graph both of them, it gives you the point where they cross and labels it. So do you think anyone ever in a stressful situation on an exam would look at this graph over here that we did, and it was it 3, 4?
Yes.
And accidentally write 4, 3? Happens all the time. Okay. The Desmos version, once you they cross and you see where they intersect, it actually writes 3, 4 for you, and you literally just have to transfer it over. Okay. 3, 4. Go back to here. X out of the resource. Down. 3.
We put negative there too, sister.
I think she graphed it opposite. 3. Tab. Nope. 4. All right.
Now, just because you use Desmos to get this, you still have to what? You still have to graph it. Okay? Because this will be wrong if you don't graph it. All right? Guys, I would look over the short response tonight. Again, I would do that. If you have the answers, look at the problem. Yeah, I know how to do that. If you don't, what do? Take a blank piece of paper, write the problem, work the problem, and then look at your paper. So tomorrow when we come in, everybody's gonna, the ones that doesn't matter if you're going with me or not, we're gonna give you a hard copy of the computer, and then there'll be a short answer. Everybody's gonna do what section first? The computer section first. After that's submitted, then you'll start on the short response paper. Okay? And what do you have with you while you're going over the short response tonight? Your note card. If you want something on your note card, write it down. Oh, we need to collect. No, we can't do that. We need to collect those now. Right, Mr. Westfall? I think we're collecting those. Put your names on your note cards.
You can't compare them to there.
We're going to collect those, right?
Yep. Note cards. Last call for note cards.
Dorian, why don't you go around over there and grab everybody's note card? Just give Dorian your note card. Get your note card up. Dorian will collect it. What's up?
All right, bring them up to me, please, historians. Whenever you're done.
I didn't have
Okay, does that make sense?
We're actually that's for the What all did you guys put in? What all did you guys put in? Not quite a bit. I had like I wrote exactly what I saw that you were saying. I just put down how to do it. They said 200 like well, I can put that on nation. Yeah, put them. I mean, didn't have time. Oh, because I had my not here when you said it's very bad. I mean, I know how to do that, but like, they took over all the schools and they started everywhere. Yeah. Why are you just listening to that? They ran off with the upgrade. So none of these are actually houses. So it's really sparse. You're still there. No, I never was.
Last call over no card. Bell ring.
So much of money. Because you don't really use anything but basic math. They can't move up.
Find the slope of this.
I got it. Even if we do
You what? On the math test for the quiz, and my grade did not go up. Like it stayed the same.
I can see.
It went up by 2%.
Oh, I thought I had an 89.
Looks like it was an 87.
Oh, okay. I must have just misread it. Okay, thank you for that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
It's not.
Well, you can only describe it classic as one thing.
No, I said old fashioned, not classic.
What is old fashioned?
Oh, and what?
Fashion, that's all we do. If I know old fashioned.
This one.
What is that?
Sour cream.
Those look like the donuts that you throw out at the end of the party because no one wanted them.
You know, some people like those lanes.
No, I understand.
Are you gonna judge me?
I'm not judging you tasting donuts. I'm just saying they could be better.
Kind of sounds like you are. Like, you're kind of picky.
Do you not like classic Lay's?
What's the option?
Is that the only option?
I mean, there was others.
Because there's no
But
way.
it was appealing.
You have
I have.
have it.
I have.
You have
They
it.
have those at Starbucks.
Oh.
Pretty good. Oh, you know I don't like crazy.
Okay. Thank you. It looks like you had like a mission. Well, it's fixing that one.
What? Yeah, I got accepted. There's a bunch of random people already trying to be my roommate though, and I'm too nice to like tell them no, but I don't want to tell them yes, so it's like this weird like yeah. It feels like I'm in the talking stage with like 5 different guys.
Physics.
And then like I don't know how to like tell people like no like no like it's like random people from the Miami 2026 account on Instagram, and I'm like I don't want to room with you. I've talked to you for like 5 minutes. Like please give me time to breathe. It's only been nice today. Like I don't even know where like my friends like here like are gonna decide. Some of them are even sitting in Miami. Maybe I want to be roommates with them. Like. All that I know about you is like your name, and you just told me you're from New York. Like I'm not gonna commit to being your roommate already.
Not about the holding.
I thought it was a greasy bird.
No.
What is that? Oh, why is the grass like
I don't know. You're carrying a bird.
That's what it looked like.
What? I'm for the sit.
Of course,
Told you it wasn't me.
I knew I thought it is.
That was bad. I was thirsty.
You can still
Wait till you get to like back half.